Welcome back to your shiny island.
Today we are talking about the largest existing land animal. It is elephant. Elephants are scattered throughout Africa and Asia, in different habitats, including savannas, forests, deserts, and marshes. They are herbivorous, and they stay near water when it is accessible. Elephants have a fission fusion society, in which multiple family groups come together to socialize. Females tend to live in family groups, which can consist of one female with her calves or several related females with offspring. The groups, which do not include bulls, are usually led by the oldest cow, known as the matriarch.
Males leave their family groups when they reach puberty and may live alone or with other males. Adult bulls mostly interact with family groups when looking for a mate.
Elephants can live up to 70 years in the wild. They communicate by touch, sight, smell, and sound.
Because of the size of the head, the neck is relatively short to provide better support. Lacking a lacrimal apparatus, the eye relies on the hard Orion gland to keep it moist. A durable nictitating membrane protects the eye globe. Elephants are considered dichromat and they can see well in dim light but not in bright light.
Elephant ears have thick bases with thin tips. The ear flaps, or pinnae, contain numerous blood vessels called capillaries. Warm blood flows into the capillaries, helping to release excess body heat into the environment. This occurs when the pinnae are still, and the animal can enhance the effect by flapping them.
The trunk is a fusion of the nose and upper lip, although in early fetal life, the upper lip and trunk are separated. The trunk is elongated and specialized to become the elephant's most important and versatile appendage. It contains up to 150,000 separate muscle fascicles, with no bone and little fat. Elephant trunks have multiple functions, including breathing, olfaction, touching, grasping, and sound production.
Elephants usually have 26 teeth. Unlike most mammals, which grow baby teeth and then replace them with a single permanent set of adult teeth, elephants are polyphyodonts that have cycles of tooth rotation throughout their lives. The chewing teeth are replaced 6 times in a typical elephant's lifetime. An elephant's skin is generally very tough, at 2.5 centimeters thick on the back and parts of the head. The skin around the mouth, anus, and inside of the ear is considerably thinner. An elephant uses mud as a sunscreen, protecting its skin from ultraviolet light. Elephants eat leaves, twigs, fruit, bark, grass and roots. They can consume as much as 150 kilograms of food and 40 liters of water in a day. Elephants tend to stay near water sources. Major feeding bouts take place in the morning, afternoon, and night. At midday, elephants rest under trees and may doze off while standing. Sleeping occurs at night while the animal is lying down. Elephants average from 3 to 4 hours of sleep per day.
Now, what is the animal you want us to talk about on next video?
Write its name in a comment.
Thank you for watching.